In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your taskbar icons appear small and you want to make them larger or bigger. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select personalization. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select taskbar. And then going down underneath taskbar behaviors, click the little drop down to expand that menu. Should be an item that says show smaller taskbar buttons. Click the drop down and select never, or when taskbar is full. So if you have a lot of items in your taskbar, that may be the reason. There is a finite amount of space on your taskbar after all. We're just going to select never, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.